What's going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the bag video. It's a pretty large item. This is an item I won on a giveaway on Instagram. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is just going to be a quick guess what's in the bag video, box video. There feels like there is a box in here. It's a large bag. I got informed on Instagram that I had won something from one of the main tool Instagrams, and they asked me for my address and my email. I sent them my email, and they sent me a tracking number, and this item showed up. So this bag, let me kind of move you guys to the right. This bag is actually pretty big. This light, and then there you go. You guys can get an idea how big it is. We'll take a measurement of it. So the bag, just the width of the bag is 23.5 inches wide by 25.5 inches long, and it is about 4 inches deep. Yeah, about 4 inches deep. I'm gonna turn you guys this way. So where the top of the bag is, it's about 4 inches. The actual item in the bag, the bag is a lot bigger than the item. The actual item is 23 inches and 1/8 of an inch long. It is 14 3/8 wide, and the actual item is 2.5 inches deep. That's the actual dimensions of the item. It's a pretty big item. You guys let me know what you guys think is in it. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. From the moment I got the email to the tracking number and everything, it showed up within like 2 days. It got here pretty quick. It came from Gilroy, California. It's got a couple stickers on here. Looks like it was transferred from a couple different departments. It does have a tracking number. This tracking number right here correlates with this one right here, because it's got a UPS tracking number, and then it's got a, because it went through like the UPS SurePost, so it went from UPS to the post office. But I will open it in the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!